If you're just joining, please send the link to the video to the group so others can also tap in. So if you're just joining on your welcome, Lumi, please help me to share the link on the group. Is Benjamin here? Charles, are you here? Charles, if you're also here, help me to send the link to the group. Those of you who are here, you're welcome. I believe everyone can hear me now better. I believe everyone can hear me better now. Okay. Well, I'll check people now. Okay, good. That was very good. Everyone can hear me. CJ, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Obina, also nice to meet you. I can see a lot of my old people are here. Okay, this person is asking if I'm Ahmed student. I was, not I am. I was. So that's it. Okay. Oladon, you're also welcome. Is any of my account management boys here? Those of you in my account management group, if you are here, signify. Okay, Ilayo Ame. I don't think I know this person. Maybe your YouTube name is different from the name you're using on WhatsApp. So nice to meet you guys. We have a lot of people actually on this live. That's very nice. But I'm not seeing likes. You guys should drop a like. We're having a lot of people, but we're not having a lot of likes. Nice to meet you. Okay. Sorry. My storage is telling me my storage is full. So guys, nice to meet you, all of you. Most of you, I don't know your name, but it's nice to meet you guys. Joy, Josephine, you're also welcome. So let's move to the topic of today. If you're a crypto trader or you're a forex trader, signify on the groups so I can know where to start. Or if you're a beginner in both crypto or Web3, whichever space, signify on the group. If you're a crypto trader, a forex trader, or you're into Web3, signify on the group. Signify on the chat. Let me know. Rhoda, is also nice to meet you. Signify, let me know. Just okay. Zacchaeus, you're into crypto. That's good. OS, you're into crypto, forex, Web3, any part of the crypto space. Just signify. Okay, forex trader. That's nice. You're a beginner Web3. So if you're into any of these, either forex or crypto, I'm not sure the journey have been very nice for you. Most of you, especially when you're a newbie into the crypto space, the first thing you enjoy when you enter into space, please drop a lot of likes. Drop a lot of likes. Just be liking. Thank you. If you're mostly when you're a beginner, the first food you get served as a beginner, especially when you come into the crypto space, is losses. You enjoy a lot of losses. I like the fact there's a lot of people on this live. You enjoy a lot of losses. It's not something that you can dodge or you can bypass. It's just a normal thing. When you come into the space, the first thing you do is you enjoy a lot of losses. Now, there are two things that lead to loss as a trader. Even if you're a good trader, I've seen a good trader, like the person who taught me crypto. The guy was a very good analyst. Even up to now, he's a better analyst than me. Okay, this person is doing anything to survive in Nigeria. That was crazy. That was very crazy. Almost everybody now in Nigeria is on survival mode. So I don't blame you. So even if you're a an expert trader, you still make loss. Now there are two things that lead to losses in the crypto market or the forex market. Now it is either you break your trading rules, and once you break your trading rules, it leads to greed. It's greed that leads you to break your trading rules, or you have a psychological error. You start having emotions. You understand? You start having emotions. So let's say you have a good plan, a good strategy. Like today, this let me show you this. So I opened a trade on Moondeck. I don't know if you can see it. I opened a trade on Moondeck earlier today, and when Moondeck hit 18% profit, I closed it because it was at 23. I opened when so if you can see my screen, I opened it when the price of Moondeck was 0.24 a Moondeck. That's when I opened it. And when Moondeck falls to 0.23, I shorted the market here. 0.23. I closed it because Moondeck has been moving in a range whereby it goes to 0.22 and then it bounce back up to about 0.27. So I closed that. And if you ask my account management boys, most of them have already eaten today because I always make sure I feed them. So I closed Mudeng only for Mudeng to now. If you can see the current price is over 0.24, 224. So it's actually moving according to my prediction, but I've already left the market. That is a psychological error, meaning that I have it. Some people are complaining nothing is working. Um, I think most of you is your network that is bad because the video is not on private. It's not on private, so it's either your network is bad or you don't have data. It's either that two ways. The moderators who are on the group, please help me to take attendance. Or people that are here. I think the fact that a lot of people, okay, Zach, you can see me now. I hope you have climbed a chair. So I think a lot of people are not being able to join this. Vix train is working, right? Vix train, I think I know you before now. Please help me to share the link to the group for those of them who say the video is on private. Okay, working fine now. I like that. Okay, okay, okay. If you're just joining, please drop a like. Drop a like if you're just joining. Those of you who are just joining us now. Okay, Otajele. Otajele, what does your name mean? You're from which part of Nigeria? I've not heard a name like this before. Jerry Junior, try to sub. Try to be subbing. Okay, should we for those of you who are just joining, if you're a crypto trader or you're a forex trader, signify on the group, let me know. Okay, you're from Kogi State. No, that Kogi Winch. Nana the fly. Lumi, you have not been on my call since. I think you're just joining right now. Okay, if you're just joining, drop a like. Thank you. Drop a like. Drop a like. Okay, you trade both. That's very good. That's very good. And I'm guessing if you trade both, which of them do you feel Mort is you I'm talking to? Which of them do you feel is more safer? Is it crypto or is forex? Which one is more safer to you? Okay, this one everybody's complaining of network issues. I think tomorrow we'll use Twitch and see how it goes. Most of you are just joining and you are saying you are. I think in the last 5 minutes, not when we started. When we started, the members was much. There are a lot of people left, leaving about 9 to 10 people on the live. Now a lot of you are joining back, saying when it's almost time up, you're joining, saying you have been here since. Okay, crypto is safe because I enjoy while trading. You actually feel crypto is safer because of there are some particular support and resistance level. You know that no matter how this coin goes, you know crypto is owned by individuals, and if your coin, if as a stable should I say as a major coin, you start falling down straight up, a lot of investors will start losing interest in that particular crypto and looking for the next project to jump into. Do you understand me? Looking for the next project to jump into. So as a owner of a crypto, you are meant to keep your coin stable at least at a specific price, or it pumps a little, or at least for it not to pass its support. So if you know those kind of levels, you know that no matter how, now for instance, you know that everybody knows Bitcoin is the future. Everybody know that one. Bitcoin is the future. There will be a time that fake coins will no longer be in use. You understand? So we all know that. So now there are some specific region you know that no matter how Bitcoin falls, it cannot reach this support level. Like for instance, now you know that no matter how bad Bitcoin goes, it can never hit $60,000 again. Even when Bitcoin dominance starts. Now everybody's waiting for the bull run season to start, right? We're all waiting for the bull run season. We're holding this, we're holding that coin. Me personally, I'm holding ADA. I'm going to hold ADA till ADA hits $10 for an ADA. You understand? Maybe when it hits $10, I may buy Cybertruck. I don't know. So I'm waiting for ADA to hit $10 before I take profit on that. Well, I don't know which coin you guys are holding, but everybody's waiting for the bull run season. Now, we all know that before the bull run season happens, please keep dropping your likes. Thank you. We all know that before the bull run season happens, there's what we call Bitcoin dominance, meaning that investors will start taking out their funds from Bitcoin. we'll first see Bitcoin skyrocket. The price of Bitcoin keep rising to about, according to Danvisi, we'll see Bitcoin hit about $250,000 this bull run season, this season. So if Bitcoin hits, let me say it goes up to 200k before it start coming down, it will definitely reach its resistance. Definitely. And once it has hit its resistance, that's when investors start taking out profits, looking for other projects to invest in, like Solana, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, and all. So that's when Bitcoin dominance start. The price of Bitcoin start dropping, start dropping, start dropping, start dropping. Now, when Bitcoin start dropping, other altcoins, that's what will now lead to altcoin season. Altcoin season, not meme season. Meme season has passed. If you're waiting for meme season, you're holding one kind of stupid meme coin, whether Tate or Big Mom, whichever meme coin you're holding. Meme coin season has passed. What we're expecting now is alt season. So what you should be holding now as a trader is altcoins. Old altcoins. You'll make a lot of money from that. In the last three bull run we have seen, actually, what led the altcoin season was this coin again? Ethereum. Ethereum was what led the last three bull run season. But this season, I'm very, very bullish that it's going to be Solana that will be leading this season, because of why? A lot of meme coins are being built every day. Like now, if you want to build a meme coin by yourself, let's say Divine Peter or Zacchaeus. Okay, Zacchaeus, I holding Notcoin. Notcoin will make you very broke, very, very broke. I was holding Notcoin as at last year. I bought Notcoin with $160. Then it rose to about $400 during that March to June time. After the launch, it rose to about $400. But I didn't sell off. I was among the moon boys. It's going to the moon. It's going to the moon. We believe that it's going to pump. You understand? Among the hype, that's not going to $1. I was with them on Binance doing the grid. Only for around August, Notcoin fell to from 0. It was about 0.029, right? From 0.029, it fell to almost 0.2. Then from 0.2, it fell to 0.0019 something. And when it's the 400 turned to, I was beginning to see 129 also. I said, no, I cannot do this again. I quickly sold off. Notcoin was just, it was just used to enter into the market. You get me? It was just used to enter into the market to open up Telegram. Just like it was used to open other Telegram games. If you see, after Notcoin, a lot of coins that are listed after Notcoin, they didn't do well. Apart from Dog did a little well, but the rest of them were trash. So Notcoin was just used to enter into the market to buy people trust. So most of all those meme coins that are coming on, so most of them they're not going to do you well. If you're holding any of those coins, it's trash. If you're holding Notcoin, it's actually nothing now. It's almost close to nothing. So meme coin season has passed. So this season now we're entering now is the altcoin season. If you have noticed in the past 1 week, since last week, the market have been rising. Now, what led to the rise of the market? What led to the rise of the market was on-chain, yeah, and ETF purchased a large amount of BTC. So BTC is actually the entire reputation of the crypto market, meaning that if BTC is rising, it's giving a good reputation to the market, of course. So other crypto will definitely follow it to rise a little. But when Bitcoin dominance starts, altcoin will start moving, and Solana is going to lead altcoin season this period. Please keep dropping like, thank you. It's going to lead this season. Now, the reason why Solana is going to lead is because a lot of meme coins are being created. As I'm speaking to you right now, meme coins are being created under Solana. Every second, meme coins are being created under Solana with different names. You can name your coin Jerry Jr., Sitobashi, NFT James, Obong Peter. You can name it whatever name you want to create. It does not take less than should I say 20 minutes for you to create a coin under Solana. As at last year, to create a coin under Solana was about $12. To create a meme coin on Solana is about $12. You create your own meme coin, you launch it, you start doing PRU and all. Get a grading team, get a Sheila team, you grade your project on Twitter. If people buy it, you make a lot of money from that. And I don't know if any of you know Quant that rug his community over 30k dollars. So it's something like that. You create your own community, you rug the projects, you make a lot of money, you turn a millionaire overnight. It's as easy as that. Just get a community. So most meme coins under Solana is very easy to create. So a lot of people are turning millionaires there, are creating more projects there and there. So that's what leading to the guys of Solana. Because before you buy a meme coin, you must have Solana, right? You must definitely have Solana. And the more there's a demand of a particular asset, the more the guys of that asset. That's how it works. So that's what led to the guys of Solana. As at last year, I knew Solana when Solana was $18 for a so. That was when I was doing Discord moderator work. They were paying me $20 on Solana. So since then, that was when I knew Solana. Then all of a sudden, last year, Solana started skyrocketing. It about $180. Early this year, it's reached almost $300, touching $285, and it still has high potential to hit $1,000. So this season is okay. You know Quant, that's very good. I like the fact some of you know Quant. Quant, the 13-year-old white boy. So if you are going into crypto, one thing I like about crypto is that I like more about crypto than the forex market is crypto gives you different ways to make money. You understand? It does not limit you to one particular thing. You know, in forex you only make money by trading. If you're not trading, you're not making money. But in crypto, you can make money through different ways, either Web3 or airdropping or holding or staking, or you're trading futures, or you're trading spot. You are trading spot. So there are many ways you can make money from the crypto market. The crypto market does not limit you. So most of the major coin, all you have to do is just know a particular support and the resistance. If you know that alone, or this particular altcoin, that it can, like, it was very clear as at last week, or should I say this month, should I say early last month to this month, it was very clear. No matter how the market goes down, if you're a good trader, you have been observing the market, no matter how the market goes down. Kaita Divine said, I'm tired. Okay, Kaita, I'm not tired. Thank you. I'm not tired. So, no matter how, who is this person that is doing Notcoin to the moon? You are still daydreaming. Notcoin is not moving anywhere. You understand me? If you want to pump, maybe later on, it's going to do a fake. I don't know if you know what fake pump is. It just move so I can gain small liquidity, a little momentum. Buyers enter into the market. Then, after it has gained liquidity with your money, because a lot of people are FOMO. There's FOMO. So a lot of people will FOMO. They'll start entering the project quickly, want to make some. I believe everybody knows the meaning of FOMO, fear of missing out. Enter the project, start buying quickly, want to make some few money. Then when they have gained a good momentum, a good liquidity, whale buyers, people that enter into early, or the project, the people that are managing the project, they take profit quickly, and the project start going down back. I don't know if any of you knew auction that day. I can't remember what I was doing that day, but I just saw auction. I didn't do any analysis. I just entered into the info and I checked. I saw it was a meme coin. Auction was about $54 that day. I just quickly shorted the market. And the funny thing was I didn't do any analysis at all. The market started falling. It started falling. Auction fell from $54 to about $21. So meme coins, they just use it to gain momentum, and then it goes. Okay, your thought on Avax and Pepe. Avax is a very good project to hold. Pepe is a very good project to hold. Pepe is already a strong. See, there's what we call meme coins that are strong. They are strong meme coins, and there's meme coins and there's shit coins. You understand me? So there are strong meme coins, but strong meme coins that have good potential, that still have good potential. Even though they are pump, people are pump over 20,000% profits, counting from the time it was created. So, but Pepe still have a good potential to still pump because of the creator. Everybody know Lord Cake. Lord Cake is a very, very good developer and is the owner of Pepe. So Pepe has good chances of still doing well later on during this bull run. And Avax is a strong coin. I think Donald Trump mentioned to add Avax to the Bitcoin reserve. So Avax is also a very good project to hold. A very, very good project to hold for long term. If you're holding Avax, your mindset should be that is on long-term basics. You understand me? Long-term basic, and you make a lot of money from that. Okay, anybody? Okay, Avax per se gave me my first Kelly this year match. That's crazy, Kelly the champ. That's very crazy. You're a big boy, you. That's very good. I told you guys, so airdrop to also pay, but if you are doing a very good airdrop, most of the airdrops now on Telegram are useless. Sorry to say, if you are doing airdrop on Telegram, you are wasting your time. Most of them will pump. Even though they get to list it, they will take time to list. But when they get to list, it's dust they will give to you. It's this dust they will give to you. But I think the airdrops now that you should be doing if you are going into airdropping, you're looking for free money, is go into testnet airdrop. Testnet. Testnet they do a little bit better. Testnet do better. Yeah. So we have any other question? If you have any question before I proceed, drop it on the group. Drop it on on the comments. If you have any questions, drop them on the comments. I think our time is even past spent. I'll take in questions now. Then at 10:50 we'll be doing attendance. Then we'll continue tomorrow again. Drop your comment. Let me see your questions. Okay, what about Sue and Doge? Doge is a very very good project. I'm actually holding Doge also. Doge is a very good project. I believe that Doge is going to go to $1. Elon Musk will tell you that it's not supporting crypto, but it's a lie. It's a lie. It's the owner of Doge. You understand? It's the owner. Even though it's not the owner, I feel is in partnership with the owners of Doge. Because if you look at it, he has been using style to promote Doge. So it's definitely into Doge. So Doge, I feel Doge is going to $1. Doge was the first meme coin, just like the way Bitcoin is the first crypto. Doge was the first meme coin, so definitely Doge is going higher. It's going higher. The future of Doge is very bright. So if you are owning Doge, it's a very good one. It's a thumbs up. Sue is also a good project. Sue is a very good project. The narrative of Sue is very very nice and it is promising. So I believe Sue is also going to go very very high. I'm coming. Give me a minute. Okay, why I say Doge, Elon Musk promoting Doge. I don't know if you know about the new the agency that was created, the Department of Government Efficiency in the US. So why do you think he named it Doge? Their version is Doge. Is also to promote Doge. If you notice, when that was launched, Doge moved from 0. Doge during last year, Doge fell to 0.09, and when it was launched, Doge moved from 0.09 to 0.034. Sorry, moved from 0.09 to 0.34. It moved up, so it's actually supporting Doge. Okay, Chief airdrop is the alpha now. I don't know much about airdrop because I don't do more of airdrop. I do more of futures trading and spot trading. That's what I do. So I don't know all those airdrop. I don't share them or I don't participate on them. Please, anything else on Pi? Okay, Pi. I've not really done a good analysis of Pi. I feel like Pi is a meme coin. Me personally, I feel Pi is a meme coin because if you are looking at the chart of Pi, okay, let me show you the chart of Pi on my system. Sorry, let me show you. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Please keep dropping likes. If you can hear me, drop likes. All right, that's very good. So let me get your questions. If you have any question, you can drop them. I'll be answering to them now. Keep dropping your likes. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Keep dropping your likes. Drop your likes. Thank you. If you have any questions, drop them. I'll be answering to them now. So I believe you guys are able to learn something. It's not just about being here because of your working, but also because you want to learn. If you are here because you want to learn, you literally gain a lot of knowledge. That's just it. You gain a lot of knowledge. You take it serious, you gain a lot of knowledge, like I said. I just learned technical analysis and want to start my trading journey. How much do you think is the minimum? Like I do tell my students on my group, though if you're in my group now, you're my students automatically. So if you want to start trading, you don't need to start big. Some traders will tell you that you need $100, you need $200 to start trading. It's not like that. Trading is not like that. All you have to do is work on yourself first. It's not. There's one thing about learning technical analysis, and there's another learning trading risk management. I think technical analysis is not even more important. What is more important is learning your risk management, learning how to stay disciplined, work on your emotions. If you can learn that thing alone, you are a good trader. You are good to go. So you don't need to start big to become big. If you are starting big, is it gives you it makes you a step ahead. Actually, it makes you a step ahead if you are starting big with a good capital. But if you don't have a good capital, you can start with small capital. You can start with $10, you can start with $20, you can start with $30, you can start with $50. It all depends on your risk management and how disciplined you are in the market. What you are looking for. Make sure you know what you are looking for in the market. You understand me? Make sure you know what you are looking for. If it's 10%, if it's 20%, if it's 30% profit. If you get that, if you are good and fine, that's good. You make a lot of money from there. Like me, my risk management now is 20% profit. Once I make 20%, I'm out of the market. I'm out of the market. I don't trade again for that day. I go and sleep. You understand? Or sometimes you do that, Kai, let me just take another trade. Let me just take another trade. If you are indoors, you are indoors person, you're indoors 247. That's how it will be doing you. Let me just take another trade. Let me just take another trade. Before you know, your blue account. That's how it works. So all you have to do is just go outside, touch grass, find family, gist. You understand? Take your mind off crypto. If possible, freeze your account. Wait till the next day. You understand? The next day you continue again, and like that, you see, you become a profitable trader. Everybody can become a profitable. It just depends on you as a trader. So this composer will use SL on some in some trade. Now XL is a very good thing. It's a very very good thing. You understand? You put the amount of money you want to risk in a particular trade. It helps you not to blow your account. You understand? XL is a very good thing. Always blew my account due to news. Why? Okay, see, want to become a very good trader. After learning your risk management, you are perfect your risk management. The next thing you should do is learn technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Join them together. If you can join technical and fundamental together, you become a very good trader. It's not just about listening to news. Now, how many times have we listened to news this year? Some days you hear that mostly January, February, April, when Donald Trump was I think there was a particular day I lost over $200 because of Donald Trump. That night it was meant to talk about Bitcoin reserve. There was already a lot of news, a lot of positive news in the market that is going to talk about Bitcoin reserve. Only for Donald Trump, I've already longed the market that the market is going to pump. Only for Donald Trump to go into the live news and start talking about tariffs, increasing Canada tariff, this, that, and that was how the market start coming down. You understand? So news is also most times it's not very trustworthy. You understand me? So always what you can lose. That's just it. Okay. What type of trader are you? Okay, me. I would say I'm a day trader. I'm a day trader and I'm also a spot trader. I trade both futures and spot trading. I find good projects that are ready to pump. I buy and hold, and after seeing 50%, 100%, take off profits. You understand? And I'm also a futures trader, a day trader. Yeah, greediness will give you a lot of setback, a lot of setback. That's just it. All you have to do is learn how not to be greedy. You understand? Stop trying to turn looking using $10 to be looking $100. Stop thinking of how to turn $10 to $200. Stop thinking like that. It's very hard. Liquidation will come first. Liquidation will come first before they take profits. So yeah, sometimes you are scared to continue, but the goal is just to keep going. Consistency is a lot. If you are not consistent, you will lose a lot of money. I'm just 21, but it's consistency that's keeping me going. I've lost a lot. If I show you my streak of last year, my accounts management of last year December alone, I lost about 800 plus. So, but I've gained more than that. I've gained more than that. So you will lose some days you'll gain, but master your risk management first. That's the most important. Master it. I'm guessing you use TDA for your analysis. What time frame do you start on? Okay, some days I use 15-minute time frame, and sometimes I use 1 hour time frame, depending on the project I enter. Most project I do skip on is meme coins. Most times it's meme coins I do skip on. I wait for them to eat their resistance before I short. Most meme coins I definitely just short most meme coins. So I just wait for them to pump and pump and pump and pump, then I short them. So most of the times it's meme coins I do trade, but some other times I trade major coins. Okay, so network is breaking. I think if we continue the same day I funded my account, I blew it. Nazarene, that's crazy though. That's crazy. I think a lot of us have a lot of experience here. Sure, the market will show you shaky. The one thing I like about the crypto market is that it will humble you before it makes you a profitable trader. It will humble you first. It will bring you down, humble you. Say, Baba, calm down, calm down. You understand? Calm down first before you become a profitable trader. Exactly, your crypto is not gambling. It's when you are trying to turn $10 to $100 overnight, or turning $20 to $300 in 2 days. That's when you become a gambler. You understand? But when you are thinking smart, think like an investor. Investors don't look for 100% or 10x. Investors look at 10% profit, 20% profit, and they are okay. When you start thinking like an investor, that's when you become profitable. Okay, you're still healing. That's very good. Nazarene, how much did you lose that you are still healing? So crypto is not gambling. Yeah, Samura, I do dengine sometimes when I find good coins to whip into. $1 to $10. Let me count it.